If you've ever felt lost trying to trade with just one indicator, you're not alone. The truth is, no single tool gives you everything. But when you combine indicators with purpose, you build a system that's more reliable, more consistent, and more powerful. Let me show you how to build a multi-indicator Forex system using just 3 tools: Bollinger Bands, RSI, and Volume. Step 1. Use Bollinger Bands to detect market context. Start with Bollinger Bands to assess volatility and breakout potential. When the bands are tight, expect a breakout soon. When price breaks above the upper band or below the lower, don't react immediately. That's just volatility. Look for price to close back inside the band for a potential reversal. Or ride the band if trend and volume can fall. Bollinger Bands give you a framework, but you need more for confirmation. Step 2. Use RSI to measure momentum behind price. Now check the RSI. If price hits the upper Bollinger Band and RSI is above 70, momentum may be exhausted. But if price breaks the upper band and RSI keeps rising with higher highs, that signals trend continuation. Watch for RSI divergence. Price making new highs, but RSI making lower highs equals early warning of a reversal. So RSI tells you whether the move is strong or running out of steam. Step 3. Use volume to confirm commitment. Here's the real game changer: volume. If price breaks a band with low volume, gives likely a false breakout. If volume spikes on a breakout, gives institutional money may be involved. If you see a bullish engulfing candle at the lower band plus RSI below 30 plus volume surge equals ZS, a high quality long setup. Volume gives your trade weight. No volume, no conviction. Putting it all together, a sample setup. Let's say your USD is in a tight range. Price breaks above the upper Bollinger Band. RSI is around 65 and rising. Volume spikes above average on the breakout. That's a signal of potential trend continuation. Entry pulled back to the upper band or the breakout candle's body. Stop loss just below middle band or structure. Take profit 1.5 to 2x risk or until RSI reaches overbought extremes. You're not guessing. You're reading the full story from volatility, momentum, and confirmation. Final thoughts. Most traders rely on one tool and hope for the best. But the edge comes from combining indicators that complement each other. Bollinger Bands, structure and breakout signals RSI. Momentum, health check volume. Commitment and confirmation used together. They form a logical, repeatable system. CTA, join Innohedge and trade with strategy, not emotion at Innohedge. We don't chase signals. We build systems. You'll learn how to combine indicators, manage risk, and approach the market like a strategist, not a gambler. Join Innohedge today and start trading with structure, clarity, and confidence. Links in the description. Let's build your edge together.